A listing agent, something happened to me a couple years ago where I was selling a spec home for a builder client of mine. And this builder had built a custom home for someone else not too far away. Both homes were modern, but that was pretty much where the similarities ended. There were certain things that are done in a lot of homes, whether it might be wood beams or maybe it might be a waterfall edge on an island. And this homeowner who built the custom home with the builder down the street had seen my photos of the spec home online, and he called me in a rage. He told me we had ripped off his ideas because we had a waterfall kitchen island and some wood beams in the house and some crown molding, for goodness sake. And he literally threatened to picket my open house on Sunday. So 20 years in the business, never had that happen before. I just tried to calm things down, lower the temperature. I ended up meeting with him. I walked through his home, and I think he just needed to get that out. And then he totally settled down, and he did not actually end up at the outside of this $2.5 million property with a sign, but he just needed to vent and get that off his chest. But it was pretty comical walking through the house because there were so few similarities. This was like comparing apples and onions as far as I was concerned. So speaking of neighbors, yeah, you can find some crazy people out there.